Welcome back to Design Bundles YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Crystal, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make the perfect kiss cut stickers using your Silhouette. Now today I'm using the Silhouette Cameo Plus, and if you guys are wondering, what is a kiss cut? A kiss cut is a sticker sheet, so it's not going to cut all the way through your backing. It's just going to give you the perfect kiss cut, if you will, to be able to remove those stickers. So this is the sticker sheet that we are going to be creating today. So let's go ahead and hop on over to designbundles.net so I can show you where this file is located, as well as Silhouette Studio. This is where you guys can find the super cute sticker sheet that we're using today. It is only $1+ credit, and you're simply just going to download it and bring it right inside of Silhouette Studio. So I've already brought this in, and as you can see, everything's just ready to be cut. So I'm just going to go ahead and do my page setup, make sure my machine, my mat, and my media size is chosen here. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the 8.5 by 11 because we're using sticker paper. And then I want to turn the registration marks on right here. Now I'm just going to go ahead and size this down by just getting one of my corners here. Just bring it down until I'm pretty much happy with the size. So I'm just going to go ahead and center this up just like so. And then we are going to be ready to send it over to print. So what you can do is you can print it right from here by clicking the printer up in the left-hand corner, or just simply go to send. Then from here, we can go ahead and choose our material right here. You're going to click it, and I just type in sticker, and you're going to see several different options. The one I'm going to choose here is sticker paper white, and this is going to give you the perfect kiss cut. So right here, we're going to click on this printer, and then we're going to hit send to printer. This is going to pop open. You're going to look at it. If you're not happy with it, you can definitely go back to your design and change your size. We're going to click on the print right here, and then from here, you're just going to simply choose your printer and click print. Now that we have our sticker sheet printed out, as you guys can see, we have our registration marks here. This is what's going to tell our machine where to cut. I've already got it on my mat here, and then we're just going to go ahead and load it in our machine. So I'm just lining it up with that gray mark right over there. We're going to hit the load button, and then we're going to hit send. So as you guys can see, the machine is running through. It's reading all those registration marks so it can cut everything out perfectly. Now we're ready to hit the unload button just like so, and we're going to remove our sticker sheet. To remove our sticker sheet, you can simply flip it upside down like this and then just peel at an angle. You guys see this paper on my mat? It's definitely not from this one. It's from a project before. And just like that, we have the perfect sticker sheet, whether it's going to be for your planners, if you're a teacher and you want to make stickers, or you're making stuff for your packaging, for Etsy and things like that. So this one is really cool because I think this is going to be perfect for our planners here. And as you guys can see here, it is the perfect kiss cut. So all you need to simply do is choose the white sticker paper settings, and you are going to get the perfect kiss cut with your Silhouette. The sticker paper that I'm using is actually shipping labels. So I like to get these, I believe it's like 500 for maybe 30 bucks. It's super affordable, and I just love the way that they cut every single time. So we'll have a link down below for you guys, but these will be perfect for your planners. If you guys have been into true crime, you guys definitely want to check this out. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.